Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the new Epomaker RT98 keyboard that is just launching on Kickstarter right now. Let's open up the box, check it out, and see how it works. Take a look inside the box. Let's cover off. Accessories are underneath here. Check those first. For your extra keycaps. Here's the little TV that it comes with. Little screen that goes on the side. Some more extra parts. And your picker to place everything inside. USB-C cable to plug it in. First off, there's some paperwork as well. And now, here is the keyboard itself. Retro style. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The coolest feature on this new keyboard is the detachable 1.14-inch mini display. This magnetic mini TV snaps on with pogo pins and gives you real-time system monitoring, weather, time, and you can even put on custom GIFs and images. It's a fun and useful little dashboard that adds personality to your setup. It features a detachable number pad that you can place on the left or right side, or you can remove it entirely. So the keyboard adapts to your workflow instead of locking you in to one layout. It's a compact 98 keyboard, but with the flexibility of a fully customizable workspace. It uses a patented gasket-mounted structure paired with a multi-layered acoustic system, giving every keystroke a soft, cushioned press and a deep, satisfying sound profile. Combine that with the hot swappable switch support for both 3-pin and 5-point switches, and you've got a board that's built for tuning, modding, and dialing in your perfect feel. It also has a triple mode connectivity that supports Bluetooth 5.1, a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, and it can connect by USB-C. You can pair up to 3 devices and switch between your computer, tablet, and phone seamlessly. And with its 8,000 mAh battery, you're looking at up to 45 days of typical use, or over 300 hours of continuous typing, which is massive for a keyboard with this many features. It also includes full N key rollover and ultra low latency, so every input registers instantly, which is important for things like competitive gaming. Build quality is another highlight. The case combines ABS and aluminum alloy for durability. And the keycaps are premium PPT caps, meaning they won't shine, fade, or wear down over time. And of course, it supports RGB lighting, with self-facing LEDs and full programmability through VIA or Epomaker's own software. So whether you want macros, remaps, or custom lighting effects, everything is customizable. So if you want modular flexibility, a smart display, and a premium feel, then the RT98 keyboard delivers. So go ahead and take a look in the link below if you'd like to check it out. And I'll see you guys on the next one.